National Liberation Movements in the Colonies. Chapter 15, Social Studies, 10th class, Bits Part 1, English Medium. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to others. In the early 20th century, China was ruled by which dynasty? Ming dynasty, Qi dynasty, Manchu dynasty, Sui dynasty. Correct answer, Manchu dynasty. Libya, whose colony? France, England, Germany, Holland. Correct answer, France. Which of the following was not colony of British in Africa? Egypt, Sudan, South Africa, Indonesia. Correct answer, Indonesia. Who was the founder of modern China? Chiang Kai-shek, Mao Zedong, Sun Yat-sen, Bao Dai. Correct answer, Sun Yat-sen. Which European country colonized Nigeria? France, Germany, Holland, England. Correct answer, England. In China, May 4th movement was started in the year 1919, 1920, 1918, 1921. Correct answer, 1919. Chiang Kai-shek was the leader of which party? Young Anna, Kuomintang, NLF, CCP. Correct answer, Kuomintang. Asian colony of France? Indonesia, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Correct answer, Vietnam. Which of the following was not Sun Yat-sen's principle? Nationalism, socialism, democracy, secularism. Correct answer, secularism. Who established a republic in China in 1911? Sun Yat-sen, Chiang Kai-shek, Mao Zedong, none. Correct answer, Sun Yat-sen. Ho Chi Minh belonged to which country? Japan, Vietnam, Korea, China. Correct answer, Vietnam. The People's Republic of China established in this year 1945, 1949, 1947, 1948. Correct answer, 1949. Who conducted Long March in China? Sun Yat-sen, Mao Zedong, Chiang Kai-shek, Ken Saro-Wiwa. Correct answer, Mao Zedong. Yoruba is a tribe in which country? France, Vietnam, Nigeria, China. Correct answer, Nigeria. Which of the following was not colony of British in Asia? Sri Lanka, Indonesia, India, Pakistan. Correct answer, Indonesia. The Chinese Communist Party has been founded after which revolution? Bloodless revolution, French Revolution, American Revolution, Russian Revolution. Correct answer, Russian Revolution. Asian colony of Holland or Dutch. Indonesia, Vietnam, India, Afghanistan. Correct answer, Indonesia. Which country was the third largest rice exporter in the world? Indonesia, Vietnam, India, Afghanistan. Correct answer, Vietnam. Long March was held in 1944 to 45, 1914 to 15, 1934 to 35, 1935 to 36. Correct answer, 1934 to 35. Which tribe is living in the southeast Nigeria? Hausa Fulani, Yoruba, Igbo, none. Correct answer, Igbo. The Nigerians fought against which country? England, America, France, Germany. Correct answer, England. Guomindang was also called as Communist Party, Youth Party, Kuomintang Party, the National People's Party. Correct answer, Kuomintang Party. The practice of food binding was followed in this country: China, Vietnam, Nigeria, Indonesia. Correct answer, China. Expand CCP. Chinese Communist Party, Vietnam Communist Party, Russian Communist Party, Communist Party of India. Correct answer, Chinese Communist Party. Peking University was established in the year 1902, 1906, 1905, 1901. Correct answer, 1902. The Chinese Communist Party was founded 1928, 1920, 1921, 1922. Correct answer, 1921. The aim of Comintern was to end capitalism, to end socialism, established capitalism, established socialism. Correct answer, to end capitalism. Japan invaded China in the year 1938, 1937, 1939, 1940. Correct answer, 1937. When was Nigeria became independent? 1963 October 1, 1937 October 2, 1939 November 1, 1940 November 2. Correct answer, 1963 October 1. Vietnam was occupied by which country in 1940? Germany, Italy, Austria, Japan. Correct answer, Japan. Niger flows in Nigeria. It is in which continent? Asia, Europe, America, Africa. Correct answer, Africa. Which of the following is a plant killer? Agent Orange, Napalm, Agent Red, none. Correct answer, Agent Orange. Who encouraged women to cultivate 4 virtues? Sun Yat-sen, Nandi Azikiwe, Chiang Kai-shek, Mao Zedong. Correct answer Chiang or Chiang Kai-shek. Vietnamese Communist Party was formed by Sun Yat-sen, Azikiwe, Ho Chi Minh, Mao Zedong. Correct answer Ho Chi Minh. Bao Dai was the emperor of which country? Vietnam, China, Nigeria, Japan. Correct answer Vietnam. Which country spread Agent Orange on North Vietnam? Britain, America, France, Russia. Correct answer America. Northern Nigeria is dominated by which tribal people? Hausa Fulani, Igbo, Yoruba, none. Correct answer Hausa Fulani. Who was the key person for Pan-Africanism? Kwame Nkrumah, Herbert Macaulay, N. Nandi Azikiwe, none. Correct answer Kwame Nkrumah. The students of Vietnam formed which political party? Young Annam Party, National Liberation Front Party, Vietnam Communist Party, none. Correct answer Young Annam Party. The major program of CCP in China: land reforms, collectivization of farming, established capitalism, none. Correct answer land reforms. Expand NLF: National Liberation Formation, National Liberation Front, National Liberty Front, none. Correct answer National Liberation Front. Pan-Africanism means bringing unity among all African people, bringing unity among all tribal people of Nigeria, bringing unity among all South Africa people, none. Correct answer bringing unity among all African people.